Hey guys, so I just cut my own hair. I cut it pretty short. I think eventually I'm just gonna get some layers and stuff like that. But for now, I really do like the way that it looks and it just feels a lot healthier, let me tell you. But yeah, I wanted to go a little shorter, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna stop it here because when I do get layers, it's gonna get a little short. So I just stopped it. But it is Monday and I already have done all my chores. I've done laundry, dishes, cleaned the place up, vacuumed, took Ozzy out and everything. So, but it is a very nice day. It's very kind of like gloomy, but the sun comes out from time to time, but it's a really, really nice day. So yeah, we'll see where we go and hopefully we go to Universal Studios because I want to go. I've been missing it. Sometimes I just miss Universal Studios, okay? And sometimes we just sit there doing nothing. We just sit there and talk, do nothing. Damn, that's how much I love Universal. Yeah, come sit next to me.
We're like kind of far.
That's true. I love coming here.
And then phone number will be.
That's what I remember. I remember it was my teeth. So we're getting the brisket mac and cheese. Oh, so good. Alright guys, so we're here at Universal and I'm going to eat this delicious. Look at that. Oh, this is so good. It's mac and cheese brisket. So good. So good. That's so good. Woo, it is a cold one today, but we like it.
I love that so much.
They're so good. Ooh, it's windy.
It has like a little buttery thing on the top, huh?
It does. I think it's the mac. Gracias, baby.
This one's like a lemonade, huh?
It's really good.
And they didn't build it all the way down, huh?
Alright guys, so we're just gonna eat. I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so we are heading off to El Capitan Theatre in Hollywood and we're going to watch The Princess and the Frog. It's really cool because these tickets came out to $5 each, so $10. But what's cool about it is that she said if you book online, you do get charged like a $3 service fee. But if you go there in person, you don't get charged anything. So this was just flat $10. Like we didn't have to pay an extra fee or anything like that. It came out as flat 10. So we're gonna watch The Princess and the Frog, which is one of my favorite movies. And yeah, it's pretty cool because I believe it's like an older like theater, and it's just the way that it looks inside. It looks pretty cool from what I see on the photos. But yeah, it's our first time going, and we just came back from Universal. So I'm excited. I'm excited to go check it out. I was quite surprised with how much the tickets were. I was like, what? And she's like, yeah. She's like, that's it. It's cheaper. And it's cool because they have like interactive, kind of like in Disneyland. Like they have characters, you know, coming out and stuff. For like Zootopia, they did this, where you can take photos and stuff with them, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. So I don't know if they did anything for The Princess and the Frog, but she said that in Halloween they do Nightmare Before Christmas, and it's like they go all out. They yeah, she said for Halloween they go all out. They decorate the whole theater and they make it look very like spooky and whatnot. So it's really cool. I'm excited to go and explore the theater since it is new to us and we've never gone before. So yeah, we're taking you with us. I did cut my hair. I did it myself. I kind of saw Danny doing it, so I was like, you know what, if he can do it, I can do it. But yeah, I'm excited. I want to see how it looks inside. Again, I've never been there before, so I want to see how it looks. We're gonna have fun. I love the tickets. They look kind of like those olden day tickets, which I love. But yeah, $5 Tuesday. So all right, let's go. Did you know this iconic Hollywood theater has been around since 1926? And it was actually Hollywood's first home of spoken drama. Let me tell you a little bit about the El Capitan Theatre. The El Capitan Theatre officially opened on May 3rd, 1926, with 1,500 seats. Back then, it wasn't showing movies like it does today. It was hosting live theatrical productions. Over 120 live shows were performed here, featuring major stars like Clark Gable and Will Rogers. Imagine sitting in these seats almost 100 years ago watching legends perform live on stage. That's real Hollywood history. Today, the El Capitan is owned by Disney and is known for hosting movie premieres and special screenings, especially for Disney films. But you can still feel that old Hollywood magic the second you walk in. If you want to visit, you can buy tickets online through a service like PayPal or directly at the box office. Pro tip, it actually is better to buy your tickets at the box office because they don't charge a service fee, so it is a flat fee. They also offer ADA accessible seating and amenities, so it's accessible for everyone. And if you're driving, there's parking nearby, plus they validate parking, which is a huge win in Hollywood. This is one of those places that remind you why Hollywood is Hollywood. Almost 100 years of history right here on Hollywood Boulevard. If you ever visit LA, this is definitely a must-see. Real bad.
So, about $20 for a
Stitch. Yeah. How cute is that? Alright guys, we got Coke and some popcorn. All up was $20. And we got some good seats. So it's gonna be so cool.
I have a feeling we're gonna be at this.
You guys, this theater is so freaking beautiful. Look, so beautiful. It's got so many like details and stuff like that, and I'm just so excited. I feel like me and Richard are gonna be here all the time.
That's right, folks. What better movie to get you into that Valentine's mood than Lady and the Tramp? And we actually partner up with our good friends at Michelli's Authentic Italian Food for our Valentine's Sweetheart Dinners. That's right, folks. Reenact the iconic Lady and the Tramp spaghetti scene with Michelli's. Tickets are on sale now. You can stop by the box office, or you can visit our website at elcapitantickets.com for more information. Also, folks, in the event of an emergency and we have to exit the theater, we have to evacuate.
loved it. Loved every minute of it. Oh, this is so cool. Perfect, thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at this.
And this one.
How much are these?
G.
24. That is so
Wow.
cute.
This character here.
Yeah, we named Ozzy after this one.
His name
Oswald.
is actually Oswald. Maybe.
Look at this one. The black and white. Hey guys, so I'm just editing a video, but I wanted to show you my skin so far. I am not wearing any foundation, any concealer. I'm just wearing some bronzer. That's about it. But this is my skin so far. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with how like my skin looks because I love wearing makeup. I love wearing foundation, concealer and stuff like that because I got dark circles and stuff. But the fact that I don't have to wear any of that makes me a little bit happy because I'm like, sweet, I don't have to wear, you know, foundation or concealer. But I mean, the skincare is doing really well, so clearly you could see, you know, but no, I'm really happy with the results. So I just wanted to give an update on that. But let's continue editing and watching murder shows. I love watching First 48. That is my favorite show. I become a detective with them. So yeah, I really, really love watching it. It calms me down. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Ooh, it has come. This is so cool. So excited. Let's open it up. So this company's only sent me a futon mattress to review, and it's actually been me and Richard's favorite thing to be using in the weekend and just kind of like play around with it. We use it as a couch, kind of just lay down with Ozzy, so it's really fun. So at Zonely, they believe great sleep shouldn't come with a high price tag. That's why they keep their profit under 5% on every futon mattress, because healthier natural rest should be accessible to everybody. Their 5-layer design delivers the perfect balance of comfort and support, whether you're using it on the floor, on the bed, or in an RV, or even for camping. It's foldable, rollable, and it comes with a reinforced straps for easy storage and travel. Available in twin, full, queen, and king, and in 6 beautiful colors to match space. Pro tip, use a mattress cover to keep it clean and extend its life. So it ships vacuumed, compressed, and will need time to fully expand after unboxing. Now, I gave it about 2 full days for it to be completely flat, but it really just took about a day. In colder winter temperatures, the initial rebound may be slower, and that's completely normal. The good news is that support and everyday use are not affected during the rebound process. For best results, they recommend placing it in a warmer room with good airflow, since colder weather can extend the expansion timeline. If it hasn't approached the labeled thickness after 35 days in winter or 14 days in normal seasons, definitely contact their customer service for team assistance. So the futon one that I got is a queen. It's 80 by 60 and it is in olive green, but they do have it in other colors like cinnamon, khaki, light gray, and burro. And what's included is 1 futon mattress and 1 dust bag. It is 100% cotton shell. Enjoy breathable, skin-friendly comfort with their 100% cotton cover that ensures airflow and gentleness on your skin. It is like cloud-like comfort with their hollow fiber feeling that reduces pressure points for a deeper sleep. It also does have high-density memory foam care. High-density memory foam provides robust support for activities ranging from sleeping to relaxing and more, ensuring comfort and proper posture for all users. It does have a natural skin touch. The Japanese full mattress make you a simplified but healthy lifestyle. It has a deep relaxed comfort, so you can enjoy the balance of both soft and firm from the futon mattress memory foam. And literally you can make your bed disappear in 5 seconds. It's super easy with their dust cover. You can do yoga, meditation. You can even put it at the back of your car for a cozy trunk. Honestly, this was one of my best things to review because my sister might be coming from Australia, and I'm going to put this futon mattress on top of the air mattress just for a little bit more comfort. So yeah, I really do appreciate them reaching out and letting me do a review. So if you want to check out Zonely, I'm going to leave the link down below. That way you can get your own classic floor mattress.